Ka-chow.
If you need something for your car, but you really don't know what it's called, you can start with a general search. I'm going to show you how to do it right now.
So how do I know what this thing is called on my car?
Literally you're just going to go through this like generic process of 2019 Subaru, what is it? Forester. I would say plastic bumper insert.
Okay.
And you're going to soon find out what Google is calling it, and then you'll be able to look on either Amazon or eBay or even directly at Subaru.
All right, cool. So just start broad.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Literally think more, less technical.
Okay.
Plastic bumper thing.
That's it. That's my language.
You can see its general shape, or if you're lucky enough to have two, you can compare it to the one on the other side so you know what it looks like. Girlie Garage offers automotive education and consulting. Feel free to pop on over to my website if you have any questions. The link is in the description.